So last day we have discussed about the AVL tree, why we are going to use the AVL tree and what are the disadvantage of binary search tree, and why we no, I think nobody is there. Nobody is there. Only the second year is there. Okay. So we have discussed about the AVL tree and introduction of AVL tree. So we have just mentioned that why we are going to use the AVL tree and how can we improve the disadvantage of binary search tree in case of searching. So do you have any question regarding this in the last class that you have not understood? Do you have any question? Is there any question regarding this? Is it understood by everyone? Okay. Please always try to use so many examples so that you can get the correct idea. Last day I also provide some class note. Let me open this class note so that you can get what I am discussing today. Today we will discuss, actually basically I will discuss according to myself. Okay, we will come back to the slide later. First we will understand what we will discuss actually. So today we will discuss about the rotation. Okay, there are four kind of rotation. So let me draw one by one rotation. So and how to perform the rotation we will discuss, and then after that we will generate how to construct the AVL tree from number of keys. So let's try to do that. So there are four kind of rotation. Is it understood by everyone? Last class we have discussed. One of the rotation is called LL rotation, left rotation. What does it mean actually? I am going to add some note in the left hand side of a left subtree of A. Please go through the class note because I have already sent you the PDF file and some PPT also. Please try to understand. So what does it mean actually? Suppose initially I am just writing initially, this is my condition. Okay, initially I am not going to write this term every time because it will take too much time to write by using mouse. So I am writing one time. Please try to understand. This is initially the condition. For example, this is my initial tree. This is 30 and this is 20. Okay, this is 20. Somebody is waiting. Okay. So just let me help you. Let me know that. Sorry. Let me know that. What is the balance factor of this particular root node? 20. Anybody can say? Am I audible to everyone? Okay. What is the balance factor? What is the balance factor of 20 at particular root node? This is 0. Okay. And at root 30, this is left minus right, means how do I calculate the balance factor? The right. So I am just writing balance height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree. Okay, I am not going to discuss every time. So height of the right subtree. Okay, so here 1. So how can I calculate the path, the longest path in this tree? So which is the longest path? This one. Okay, I am not counting the node, I am just counting the longest path. This is the path actually. Okay, so we have gone through the so many definition of path, depth, height. So please if you don't know, please go through the class note so that you can get the idea. So I am not going to discuss again. So this is what is the path length? 1. Okay, so that means height is 1. So height of the left subtree is 1 and right subtree is missing. So 1 minus, so that is actually 1 minus 0, so that is plus 1, right? And what is the balance factor? So balance factor, it may be +1. Last day we have discussed, okay, and 0 and -1. And another, if is the balance factor within this not range, so that means if it is -2, -3, +2, +3, whatever it is, that is imbalance. So if there, after insertion, if there is an imbalance, then we are going to perform the rotation. Okay, so here we are going to use one of the going to discuss that one of the rotation is called LL rotation. Okay, left hand rotation. So let's see, if I insert some node, for example, if I insert 10, what will happen? Whether what will be the right place? This is my initial condition. I am not going to circle every time because it will take some time. So 10 will be add to the right side of 30 or left side of 30? Okay, I want to response from everyone, not only every time for 1 or 2%, but I am going to I want to response from everyone. If you please interact with me. Left. Okay, so 10 is correct. It will be placed to the left of 20. Is it understood by everyone? Because it's very easy, because first we will compare. If I want to add any node, then first any key value, then first we will check in the root node whether less than or greater than. How many comparison is required to insert 11, 30, 10 in the left hand side? 2 comparison. First comparison, this one, it is greater than or less than, so I will move to the left hand side, then again we compare with the 20. So to second comparison, then check whether it is less than, so I will put this or add this node at the left hand side. Also the 10 will be left child of 20, right? So now every time when we are going to perform any insertion or any deletion, okay, so then every time we will update the balance factor. We have seen in the left hand side that initially the balance factor of this particular node, root node 30 is +1, and that is the 20 is 0. So is it okay? So balance factor is okay. But if I check this one, so what is the balance factor? This one, this is 0, this is +1. Is it understood? This is +2. Is it understood by everyone? So this is, what is the longest path? If I consider this is a root, okay, I am expecting some question from everyone. Okay, if you do have any question, please ask me. Okay, so I am very happy to know that who is asking this question. Try to understand. This is my root node. I am going to calculate the balance factor at root node 30. So what is the balance factor definition? Please look at this. Height of the left subtree. What is the height of the left subtree? 1, 2. Not 1. The height, the color, this is 1, this is 2. Longest path. Okay, longest path. So this is 2, not the number of node. So here the number of node is left subtree is 1, 2, 3, not like that. So longest path, what is the path? This one, this one. This is height of the left subtree. And what is the height of the right subtree? Is there any right child? 0. So 2 minus 0. What will happen? This is 2. Yes or no? And now look at this. So this imbalance happened for which purpose? For what is the cause of this imbalance? Because I have added a node. Initially this was my condition. Initially that was my tree, and after adding this node, so where we have added which position? Left. Okay, so left we have added a node L is the left, so added a node left subtree of root node of left subtree. Okay, so left of left. Is it understood? L. So that's why it is called L imbalance. Okay, imbalance. Okay, so if there is an L imbalance, then we have to construct the tree, or we have to balance the tree. Okay, so the rotation, the operation we perform here, that is called L rotation. Okay, so I am writing here, after LL rotation. Everyone are requested to please go through the tutorial, class note tutorial PPT what we have just shared last two classes. So otherwise you do not understand the AVL tree. In your exam you will get some key like that binary search tree we have already know how to construct. Similarly we will get some key value and we have to construct the AVL tree. These are the basic question and important question for your exam. Every topic in data structure you will get some question, okay, whether this year or the previous year we will get some question, it is not sure, okay. So after LL rotation, okay, I don't have any space so I am just writing in short. So after LL rotation, that is called rotation. So if I want to perform the rotation, try to understand this one, this 10 is inserted to the left of 20, so this is left, and it is left subtree of the root node, so that is also left. So L left of left, okay, left of load. If I think this is A, so we can write like this. If I consider this node is A, we can say like this. So insert node in the left subtree of A. Understood? So that is called LL rotation. If I perform rotation, so what will happen? Let me check. Change this color. So try to understand. So after inserting, we got a LL imbalance. If it is LL imbalance, we will perform the rotation like this. What does it mean? Where the imbalance node? This node is imbalance. 30 is imbalance. Why? Because plus 1 is okay, 0 is okay, balance factor is okay, but this 30 root node is the imbalance because the balance factor is plus 2, right? Is it understood by everyone? Up to this point is clear? Yeah. Any question? Yes, right. Right. So I told you last day that the definition of AVL tree so many times, that left height of the left subtree and right subtree it will maximum equal to 1. If other value, that is the tree is imbalance. And what is the purpose of AVL tree? So we are going to reduce the height of a tree, or to make the tree is a balanced height tree. There are two kind of actually balance height balance tree. One of the tree we are going to discussing, we are just discussing right now, that is called AVL tree. So from the three mathematicians, okay. And another tree is red black tree, which is not in our syllabus. So we will try to cover if I get some time after covering this syllabus, okay. So this is a very important topic, AVL tree, and it is little bit complete. If you understand the every rotation, then it is easy. So that's why I am taking some time to, so that you can get the idea, okay. So here we have seen that how can I think that if I think this is do you know this is nail and we are going to pull something, so এটাকে যদি pull করা হয়, so what will happen? 20 will be middle node, yes or no? Like this, suppose this thread is there, nail thread, মনে কর একটা ইয়ে দেখেছিস তো, কুয়ো বা চেন পুলি সিস্টেম দেখেছিস তো মেকানিক্যালে যখন পড়েছিস, এটাকে যদি দড়িটা ধরে টানি তাহলে কি হবে? এটা নিচের দিকে চলে আসবে, তাহলে 30 কোন দিকে যাবে? 30 রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইড, ওকে, রাইট চাইল্ড। আর লেফট চাইল্ড কি হবে? এটা উপরে উঠে চলে আসবে, 10টা এখানে চলে আসবে। So that is the ultimate rotation, okay. So try to understand this line, rotation. When LL imbalance, then we will perform the right rotation. So this is right rotation. Clockwise যদি এটাকে ঘোরাস তাহলে কি দাঁড়াচ্ছে? Right rotation, okay. So দেখ এখানে if I check the balance factor of each of the node, right now this is 0, this is 0, and 0 1 minus 1, that is also 0. Now it is correct? Is it correct? Okay. So this is LL rotation. This is a single rotation, only one rotation is going to happen in this case, okay. So next I am going to discuss the another rotation. There are 4 rotation. and I'm going, next one is I'm going to discuss, that is RR rotation. Okay, RR rotation. So what does it mean, RR rotation? Okay, so RR, this also a single rotation, so RR rotation. What does it mean? So suppose this is my initial condition, this is 10, and another one is for example 20. So this is my initial condition, and if I insert some node, for example 30, where it will be inserted? After insertion, what will happen? Because what is the balance factor? Anybody can say initial condition, what is the balance factor? This is 0 and this is -1. Is it correct? -1, not 1. Okay, -1. Okay, try to understand. So if I insert 30, so 10 will be there, and then 20, then 30, right? And please remember that every time to represent the node, you have to put the circle. Okay, and here it is not possible because it will take some time, because I am just using mouse to draw this circle, so it will take some time. So to for this I am not doing every time the cycle. Okay, but it is not a value. Do it in your copy. Okay, using pen pencil. So this is 0, this is -1, right? So 0 -1, and this is 0 -2. Okay, how can I calculate? This is 1, longest path 1, 2. So 0 -2. Okay, this is -2. So -2. So this is balance, no pocket. This root is balance, this 20 node is balance, but here the imbalance. So why it is called imbalance, and what kind of imbalance it is? I have just inserted node to the right. So this is actually make it clear. This is R, this is R. Okay, so I have inserted node in the right subtree of root node. Okay, root node means imbalanced node. So where the particular node is imbalanced, so this rotation is called RR rotation, right? So what will happen if IR rotation? We have to this is called RR imbalance. So what will happen? We will perform some rotation, and that rotation is called RR rotation. Understood? So what is the rotation we can perform? So this is a single rotation we can perform. We can do like this. So anti-clockwise. Very good. Anti-clockwise. What will happen if I anti-clockwise? 20 will be moved to the root. Right. Now you can calculate the balance factor of each node. So we know that this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 1 - 1, that is also 0. So please keep that in mind. Whenever, every time, we will not do like that. If we will put all the nodes, then draw the tree, then after that we can apply the rotation. It's not. Every time if I am going to add some nodes into a AVL tree or delete some nodes into a AVL tree, every time we will update the balance factor. And if it is imbalanced, then we will balance the tree, then we can add the new node. Is it understood? This term is understood by everyone. Every time whenever we are going to add some node, we will check the balance factor, we can update the balance factor, and after that if it is imbalanced, then we can change. And if it is okay after adding something, if it is okay, then that is we are not going to change it. Okay, is it up to this point is clear? I am not getting response. Please everyone, please unmute your mic and talk to me. Up to, it's clear? Okay. Okay. The next one is this is very difficult thing, but you have to understand, because here we are just discussing with the 3 node. Please keep that in mind. Whenever we are talking about the any rotation can only perform in the 3 node. Later I will discuss with more complex structure, with some more big tree, and we have to find out the which portion we have to perform the rotation. That is very difficult. So please try to understand the basic concept, then please go through the my class note also. I have just clearly mentioned whatever the going to perform, and here also today we will discuss. So please concentrate on this one, that is one of the rotation is called LR rotation. Okay, LR rotation. So let me write this example initially, that is 30. For example, this is 10, and suppose I going to insert 20. Okay, I am taking simple one so you can get the idea. If I add 20, what will happen? 30, 10, then 20. Is it okay? Now check the previously this was okay. We have seen that this is 0, this is plus 1 balance factor, but now here what is the balance factor? This is 0, 10 is minus 1. No, why 0? These are left side free. Tell me. This is 2. So what is the height of the left subtree? What is the height? This one, this one. This is the height of the left subtree. So plus 2. I have just she has already joined. Okay, I admit it. Next one is this I sub 3 is missing, so 2 minus 0, that is plus 2. Yes or no? Is it okay? Now think like this. Why it is imbalance? This particular node is imbalance. This is okay. This is also okay, but this particular node is imbalance. Okay, 30 is imbalance. So why it is imbalance? Because I have just this node is the left, okay, and then right. Okay, so I have inserted a node to the right subtree of left subtree of node 30, right? So that is this one, the right one. Okay, so try to understand this notation. So this is the right and this is the left. So that is called LR imbalance. LR imbalance, right? LR imbalance, because this imbalance can happen if I insert the node in the right subtree of left subtree of node A. Okay, so LR imbalance. But whenever we are going to perform this kind of LR representation, so look at this, we have a LL rotation, we have a RR rotation, so that means, and we have these two notation are single step, or you can say single rotation. Okay, and LR and RL are double rotation. That means we have to balance the tree with two step, not a single step, with two step. Okay, how can I do that? First we have to perform, so it is a LR rotation. Okay, LR rotation. So first we will perform the left rotation. Try to understand, we will perform the left rotation in this way, this particular node. Okay, then after that we will perform the right rotation. Then first we will perform the anti-clockwise, then clockwise. Okay, so the first step, this is the first step. Try to understand, if I anti-clockwise this rotation, because this node is imbalance, so I will make, if it is rotate this one, so 20 will be placed here. Okay, and 10 will be moved to the goes down to this after 20. So what will happen? 30 will come here. Okay, 30 will come here. Then 20 will be there. This is the one step. Okay, and this is 10. Up to this point is clear? for this rotation, only this left anti-clockwise rotation we perform this one. Okay, now again check, this is also imbalance because this is plus 2, so we have not, no, I am just performing rotation in this way. This note 10 10. Okay, so 10 will goes to the down and 20 will be up. I am just performing rotation in this note. Okay, in first step. Then we can perform the right rotation. If I right rotation, then 30 will come back to this one, will be the, sorry, 20, 20 will be the root note, left subtree is 10 and right subtree is 30. Up to this point is clear. So this is the first step. So whenever we perform the double rotation, so that is called double rotation. L, R and L both are double rotation. This is double rotation. It means that 2 times we have to rotate. That means that ultimately if I want to balance the tree, that unbalanced tree, then we need to perform 2 steps. Okay, one of the step is first step. This is my first step. Let me change this color, this one. So this is my first step. Okay, and this is my second step. Now the tree is balanced. If I check, this is the balance factor of this tree is 0 0 and this is 0. So now it is okay, right? And we can do in sorry. So we can do in a single step also. Okay, but we have to understood. Okay, we have to understood very deeply so that we can perform. In single step, try to understand how can I perform, but who is familiar with the rotation, they can perform the single rotation. Look at this one, okay. So we have just come to the imbalance in 2 rotation. Now we are going to perform in a single step. Okay, either we can do that or either we can do like this. So which note is imbalance, which is the last note after inserting 20, right? We added 20 here, na? Okay, so replace with the root note. So 20 will move to the which one side? Root note. It's a LR rotation, so root will be placed in the right hand side. And 10 as it is in the left hand side. Is it understood? Okay. So LR rotation is a double rotation. That means if there is an LR imbalance, then we have to perform the rotation in 2 steps. One of the step is called first we have to perform try to understand the green color. Look at the green color. This is first anti-clockwise at that this note, middle note, and then clockwise the ultimate imbalance note. And if I consider this anti-clockwise rotation, 20 will move to the this position and 10 will goes down to the this one. So this one is the first step. Okay, and after this one we perform the right rotation. So if I perform right rotation means, so 30 will goes down to the right hand side. So 30 will be the right child or right subtree, not child, right subtree of 20, because we are discussing a part of this tree. So there may be so many other child is present. Okay, and 10 will be the left subtree. Okay, is it understood? Okay, now we move to the second one, the last one. that is RL rotation. Okay, just we are going to finish, then we will discuss some more special cases. After that we will discuss how to construct an AVL tree. Okay, so let me clear this one. Now we are discussing RL rotation. Try to understand RL. So I am going to insert the node in the left hand side of right subtree. So okay, left subtree of right subtree of root node A. Okay, so what does it mean actually? If I want to perform some rotation, for example, if I write 10, take this example, 10, that is 30. Okay, this is 30. If I want to add 20, what will happen? If I want to add 20, anybody can say what will be the picture, what will be the diagram? Okay, so 10 is my root node, no problem, 30 is there. Then if I add 20, so 10 20 will be, first we will compare with 10, then we will move to the right hand side, then we will put the node in the left hand side, right? So here look at this, this is the right subtree, compare with this one, this is right subtree, and L, just this is left. So we are adding this node at the left subtree of right subtree of root node. Okay, understood? So now if I check the balance, so this is 0, this is plus 1, and what is this is minus 1, yes or no? Sorry, minus 2, yes or no? Left subtree is missing but right subtree, so this is minus 2, so that means right heavy actually. Plus 2 means left heavy, plus 2 means left heavy, minus 2 means right heavy, yes. Okay, this imbalance is called RL imbalance, RL imbalance. Okay, so if I want to perform against two step, we have to perform. First we have to perform L. L means check this one. So first we have to perform in the middle node, that is clockwise, then we will perform the anti-clockwise. So if I make clockwise, 20 will be there and 30 will be there. Okay, so let me write this one. 10 is here, then 20, then 30. This is my first step. Okay, so 20 will goes up and 30 will goes down. This picture is okay. If I check again, this is minus 2 also, so it is not in the ultimate in position. Then we will perform this one, the left rotation, anti-clockwise rotation. So we will get 10 will be moved here and 20 will be goes up, so we will get 20, then 10, then 30. Is it okay? So this is step 1 and this is step 2. In step 2 we are getting the string. Okay, so now quickly recap all those things in some special method. I am just discussing some special method that how can I do. Please go through the note, and for example I am just using LL. Okay, suppose we are just considering 2 note, okay, 3 note. It may not be happen in your tree, okay, because so many other note is present. Please follow my class note, because everything is written in the class note. PDF note from my book I have just given. Please try to understand. Suppose this note has some other children also. For example, this is one of the right child. Okay, suppose this right child is there. Okay, right child is there, and C is left child and right child. C is left child and right child. This is the big tree. Okay, if I consider the big tree, what will happen? This is a special case. Okay, special case, because we so far we have discussed only taking the three notes, so we do not bother about the whether this note has a left child or right child like that. So that is simple to understand. But if I consider the practical example, we will see that the tree is where the imbalances happen, some other left child right child is present. So how can I do that? Please try to understand. If I want to insert note in the left, so that is left imbalance, yes or no? Left imbalance, yes or no? So that is 0, this is plus 1, this is plus 2, so that means left heavy. How can I change this one? So try to understand. Left LL imbalance means clockwise rotation, yes or no? LL means left to right, okay, rotation. So what will happen? B will be my root node and A will be my right subtree and C will be my left subtree, yes or no? If I consider this node is imbalance and if I think this is a pulley chain pulley system, so then we can just this one, so it will be moved like this, okay. So if I think like this, so we will change. Now what about this one? This thing you have to keep in mind that whatever the right child of A, that will be placed in the right side. So that means AR, whatever the right subtree of A, that will be as it is, okay, that will be as it is. Now left child of C as it is, no problem. Right child of C, that is also as it is. But what about this one? B became the root node and here BR, right child, C is where we can place it, because try to understand that left child and right child, C is my left child, right child is present, but try to understand B, the BR, the right child is placed in the right child of B, and we have to find out this place. Which place is free for this position? This one, okay, because it will place, since it was in previously before rotation it was in right child, so BR will be the right child of this A and it becomes the left child of A. Is it understood? Not understood? This was my this is my initial condition. Please compare with this one. This node is imbalance, this follow this figure, and here is another node, okay. If I think like this, okay, and if I pull this what can I say, chain, pull this chain, then this will be after rotation, what will happen? If I pull this chain, so it will be some up and this is my condition, it becomes the left child, yes or no? It becomes the left child. Understood? Okay, let's consider another one and then I will take two more maximum 10 minutes to complete this one, because we have already covered we have end of the class, so 10 minutes 5 minutes is left, but I will take extra 5 to 10 minutes so that we can complete our discussion today, okay. So another one is I am just considering same thing LR special case, left right, one of the discussion I just discussed. Suppose this is my node and it has a right child, for example AR, and you have another node that is B. Please, what I am discussing, everything written in the class note, okay. Please go through the class note so that you can get the idea. It will be more clear to you, and what is the coding for this particular, how to point represent by pointer, it is everything is mentioned in the class note, okay. I'm just taking, this is the left child, right child is, and this is, for example, make it dot line, this is my left child and this is my right child, so CR. So this node is imbalanced, this is 0, this is -1, this is +2, yes or no? So this is LR imbalance, because LR imbalance. So if I want to make this is some subtree is present, so what will happen? So if I want to change, so what we have, what do we know, that if I do in a single line, root will be placed to this imbalance node, yes or no? So if I place this, I am doing in a single step, okay, because you already know how to perform in a double step. two step. So C will become my root node. Yes or no? Okay. And this is A. A will be in the left hand right or right hand side. L R. So R stand for A will be in place in the right hand side. Okay. So R A is here. Then B become the left child as it is. Now consider this one. Whatever in the right hand side, that will become the right child. This is my solid line, this is my dotted line. Let me change this color. This is AR. Okay, as it is. And B left child will be as it is. This position is as it is. Now what about the C? This position. So CL is the left child of C. So left child of C. So C will be placed in the left hand side. So it becomes now CL. And CL is the right child. So I will place in position of right of C. Okay. So that is the right child. Understood? Very easy. Okay. Please give me the attendance. Okay. Then after that I will discuss. Okay. The important thing, how to construct the AVL tree. Okay. I am not getting the attendance in my WhatsApp also. Every time you have to reply everyone and tell me that please post the attendance in the WhatsApp. So today I think 38 student is present. Let me check. Personally as well as you have to put in the group, so that if there is any student is missing or connection loss, so we can give I can give the attendance his or her also. Okay. Please 2 person. I'm just Reshmi is there. Reshmi. ওকে তুই আমাকে পার্সোনালি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স পাঠাবি আবার গ্রুপে পোস্ট। আর সোমনাথ তুই পিডিএফ করে পাঠাস না, আমাকে একটা পিডিএফ পাঠিয়ে দিবি। ওকে, সোমনাথ ইজ দেয়ার। সোমনাথ আর শাহেদ, যে কোনো একজন আমাকে কে যেন পাঠায়, শাহেদ পাঠাস না? ওকে, যে কোনো একজন পাঠালে হবে। আর আচ্ছা অন্য একজন পাঠিয়ে দাও, অন্য একজন। সো মেনি পার্সন ইজ প্রেজেন্ট। ওকে, হ্যাঁ যে কোনো একজন নিয়ে নে, সেটা কোনো ফ্যাক্টর না। জাস্ট নাও কাম টু দ্য পয়েন্ট। So suppose I am going to construct an AVL tree. So I will take a few minutes. Then suppose the key is given to you. For example, this is 40. Okay, 20, then 10. Who is going to take the next class? Who is going to take the next class? Okay. Give me maximum 10 minutes. Okay, maximum 10 minutes. So for example, these are the key value. Okay, we know that AVL tree is a binary search tree. So first I will insert 40 here. Is it okay? Only one node, so it is already balanced node. Next 20 will be added to the left hand side or right hand side? Left hand side. Yes or no? Now we will check the balance. This is 0, this is +1, that is also okay. 1 minus 0, so +1, that is also okay. If I add, suppose I am just doing in this way, if I add 10, what will happen? So 40, then 20, then 10. Is it okay? I am not getting response. Please everyone unmute and give some response whether you can understand or not. Now it is checked the imbalance, so that is 0, this is +1, and this is +2, so that is imbalance. So now we will check why it is imbalance, because I have added node in the left hand side and this node is added left subtree. Okay, so left subtree of root node. So this node is imbalance. Okay, I will check left. So I will perform the clockwise rotation. If I perform the clockwise rotation, then 20 will my root node, then 40 will my right subtree, and I am doing randomly. Okay, then 10 will be my left subtree. then we add the next one. So what is 25? After rebalancing, after balancing this node, we can perform. Okay, after balancing, suppose I want next key is key value is 25. So if I want to add 20, you have to perform in your exam step by step, not a single step. Okay, so if I add 25, if I compare with the 20, so it is greater than, then this compare with the 40, this is less than, so it will add. I'm just, this will be the next line. Okay, next line, so 25 will be added here. Now again we will check the balance. This is 0 and this is 1 minus 2, so that is minus 1. This is 0, this is plus 1, I think. Right child is missing, this is plus 1. So this is balance. Okay, so after insertion there is no need to perform the rotation, because the tree is after insertion is already balanced. Okay, now add 30. If I want to add 30, what will happen? 30 will be placed in the left, right, so it will be placed in the right child of 25. Yes or no? Okay, so now it will check, update the balance. So this is minus 2. Yes, because this is the longest path, 1 2 3, so 1 minus 3, so this is minus 2. Now this is update, this is 0 and this is right child, so that means this is minus 1 and this is no, 2 plus 2. Oh yeah, so there are two imbalance. So after adding 30, that is very interesting, after adding 30 we are getting the two imbalance. Now which imbalance? So what is the imbalance? Cause of the imbalance, this is right, then it is left, then right. Okay, if I write in this way, R L R, right, R L R. Yes or no? But we know that every time when we are going to perform any rotation can be happen only 3 node. I have just mentioned so many times. I told you several times that only 3 times. Now we have to find out which 3 node we will consider, whether we consider this 3 node or whether we will consider this 3 node. Okay, so let me know that, try to understand. The imbalance purpose is try to understand. So when we perform this one, imbalance is happening which node, ancestor node, which ancestor node is performing the first imbalance. So this one, okay, which first node. So I try to understand, I have added a node that is 30. Okay, so 30 is added, so we will start from here. This is the first ancestor node, which root node, that value is 40, t value is 40, is first imbalance. So we will consider this 3 node. So if I consider this 3 node, this is LR rotation. Yes or no? So I will remove this one. We will not consider this one. So after doing that, we can see that the entire tree must be balanced. So let me redraw this one. We are considering this one. So let me draw once again. I am doing a single line. Okay, single step. This one. So 20 was my root node. I will 20, then 10. Please compare with the left hand side and right hand side. Okay, this is the old one and this is the new one. And then we will, this is my last node. If I perform the LR rotation, what will happen? LR rotation. So this is my last node. So 30 will be placed here. Yes or no? Yes or no? If I perform in a single step, the last node will be the root node. I will exchange, and 40 is LR rotation, the R rotation. Okay, so 40 will be placed in the right hand side. Yes or no? And there is no left child is present of 10, and this left child, So 20 is the left child of 40. So similarly, so 30 will be placed here. So 25 will be as it is. Understood? If you don't understand, I am just doing this portion in a two step. Okay, this one. Let me change this color so that you can. I am doing this portion in a two step. If I want to perform two steps, so that means L R rotation. Okay, so I am just doing here. Okay, so what will happen? 30 will be placed here, then 25 here. Suppose 30, if I perform the L R rotation, what will happen? L R rotation means, so first we will perform the left, then right. Yes or no? So the left right means it will be 40. Let me check whether I am right or wrong. Then it will be 30. This is my first step. Okay, and 25 is my left child. Yes or no? Okay. Then if I perform the right rotation, LR rotation, first we perform the L rotation. Then, sorry, this will L means N L L means anti-clockwise. So then it is clockwise. So 30 will be moved. After this drawing, what will happen? 30 will be my root, and 40 will be my right subtree, 25 is my left subtree. Please compare with this one. 30 is my root, 20 is my left subtree, 25, 40 is my right subtree. Now it is okay. Any confusion? Any doubt? Okay. So let me remove all those things. Let me remove this one. So ultimately we are getting this kind of tree. Okay, the next key is 22. So where we can place the 22? So try to understand. I am just updating after every time we update the balance factor, then we can add the new element. We cannot do completely wrong way that every time we add the binary search tree and then perform the rotation. So try to understand that. Please keep that in mind that every time we are going to add any node, after that we will rebalance this. If there is a imbalance, then we will rebalance it or balance this tree, then we can add the new node. So this node is right now is imbalance, is balance tree. Please check this one. 1 minus 1, that is also 0. So this is the longest path. This is minus 1. Yes or no? 1 minus 2, so that is minus 1. So this tree is balance tree. So after that, if I want to add 22, what will happen? 22 will be placed in the left hand side. Yes or no? 22 will be placed in the left of 25. Now check this one. Again we are updating the balance. So this is 0, this is plus 1. Okay, this is plus 1. 1 minus 0, so that is plus 1, and that tree became 2 minus 1, that is also plus 1, and this is 0. Okay, so 2 minus 1, that is plus 1, but this one is 1 2 3. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So 1 minus 3, so that is this one. Now the root node 20 become imbalanced. Yes or no? And let me check for why it is imbalanced. Because this is right, this is left, this is left. So RLL. Okay, RLL. Okay, now consider which node you consider. Which node is imbalance? Which node is imbalance? Right, 20 is the imbalance node because the balance factor is 20. If it is imbalance, we will start from here. So we will start from 20 and only two step we will consider, because we can consider only 3 node. So this is the first node, this is the second node, this is the third node. Okay, so we will consider these 3 node. not this 3 node. Okay, for which it is imbalance we are not going to consider. Okay, we are just consider if it is longest this one, then we are going to consider which node is imbalance node. Here 20 is the imbalance node, so we are going to perform RL rotation. Okay, so cross this one, RL rotation, right? So RL rotation means it's a double rotation. What will happen in case of RL rotation? We will just simply change. If I want to perform in a single step, what will happen? So we will change, let me change this color, we will change the last node, exchange with the root node, yes or no? So 25 will be my root node if I want to perform in a single step. 25 will be the root node, and the left subtree as it is left subtree, yes or no? So this is RL rotation, so L means left, so 20 will be placed to the left of 25. Okay, and 10 was the left subtree of 20, so it is as it is, we have just shown you. And if 25 became the right subtree, and whatever the right subtree of 30, 40, it will be remain as it is, yes or no? So 30 will be here. I have just discussed the special cases also, please try to understand. This is 40, up to this point is okay. And what is the left child of 22? 22 is the left child of 25. So whether it will be placed right hand side or left hand side? 22. What about the 22? This node is complete. The 10, 20, 30, 40 and 25 is complete. But what about the 22? Because 22 is the left child of 25. So left child of 25, this is the first place. 25. We do not consider this one, left child of 30. We do not consider. Sorry, 22. We do not consider this one. This place is open position. This place is also free. So we do not consider this one. Please try to understand which node, 22 is the left child of 25. Yes or no? Yes. So after that, if I after rotation, so 22 will be the left child. Okay, now consider the last one, 25. If I add 25, so 50 will be there. Okay, and when 50 is there, so if I check, this is imbalance, obviously this is imbalance. Let me check, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1 minus 1, that is also 0, and this is 0, this is minus 1, this is no left subtree is present, so that is minus 2, and that is 1 2, so this is minus 1 2, so 2 minus 1 2 3, 2 minus 3, so this node is imbalance, yes or no? This node is imbalance. Okay, so we will consider this 3 node, we will consider this 3 node. So this is right and this is right, so right rotation means so we have to perform the left rotation and anti-clockwise, yes or no? LL rotation means clockwise rotation, and RR rotation means anti-clockwise rotation. So that anti-clockwise means, if I perform here anti-clockwise rotation, this one, this one, okay, anti-clockwise, 40 will be goes up, so the final tree will be 25, this is 20, this is 10, this is 22, then 40 will come here. If I go 40, 30 will be the left child. Okay, 40, then 30, then 50. Is it okay? Is it understood? Okay, in this way we can construct the AVL tree. Okay, please go through the tutorial. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Please রেশমি কে দিচ্ছিস আমাকে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স, খাতায় হোক আমাকে একটা পার্সোনালি পাঠিয়ে দিবি। ওকে।